Hey,
Hi, nice to see you.
nice to see you too. Where are you going?
I'm going to the library.
Oh, I was just there.
Really? What were you doing?
I returned some books and borrowed a new one.
What book did you borrow?
It's a book about space. I love science.
That sounds interesting. I like stories more.
Fiction or real stories?
I like fiction. Stories with magic and adventure.
Cool. Do you read every day?
Not every day, but I try.
I read before bed. It helps me sleep.
That's a good habit. I use my phone too much.
Me too, but I want to read more.
Maybe we can read together sometimes.
Great idea. We can sit in the park and read.
Yes, or at a cafe. I like coffee with books.
Me too. What time do you go to the library?
Usually in the afternoon, around 3 p.m.
That's perfect. I finish work at 2:30.
Do you work nearby?
Yes, just across the street.
That's lucky. My school is 20 minutes away.
Do you walk or take the bus?
I take the bus. Walking takes too long.
I like walking. It helps me relax.
I listen to music when I walk.
Same here. What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music and sometimes pop.
I like pop too. Who's your favorite singer?
I like Taylor Swift. You?
I like Ed Sheeran.
He has good songs.
Do you sing?
Only in the shower.
Haha, same.
Okay, I need to go to the library now.
Want me to come with you?
Sure, let's go.
Maybe I will find another good book.
I hope so. I want a book with dragons.
Let's look together.
Great. Let's read a little there too.
Yes, then maybe get some coffee.
Perfect plan. I'm happy we met today.
Me too. Let's go.